If you've been working with Claude Code on a feature and Claude is constantly annoying you with, do you want me to continue? Accept this, accept that, and so on. I know it's super frustrating. I had this issue a few months ago, and yeah, it's terrible. You cannot walk away from the computer. You're basically babysitting Claude to work on the tasks. Let me help you fix this once and for all with a super easy to use prompt, and I've added that to GitHub. It's this installer that will help you set up all of your permissions like I've done it in a safe way. So I've been working a lot on production ready apps, and these are the permissions I use. It's on GitHub public, so you can go through and read everything. It will not install anything that you don't ask, so it will always ask you how and what you want to do. And with the permissions, you've basically got three options: balanced, which is recommended, trusting, and curated. So here you can actually go, the prompt, it's going to be in the description below. It just says read this install prompt and act as installer. And it will go through and open this up. And then in other videos, I show different skills, but here you can, for example, choose the permission settings. And it's going to read your current permission settings to see what you already have. So it's not going to overwrite anything. It's just going to check and see what might be missing. So in my case, it's probably going to say, all right, everything is already good, but it's already saying your allow list contains bash that grants every bash command with no safety check, and it overrides any ask gates. So my opinion, for me, I want complete autonomous workflows. The only time where it does ask for my permission is, for example, if I need to deploy to my VPS in production. It will ask me, all right, do you want me to deploy? I've had in the past where it just deployed randomly and it was the wrong thing that I deployed, so that's terrible. So normally everything is allowed apart from production deploy. So here you can actually start with balanced if you want, and then while you're working, if you notice that Claude is still constantly asking you for edits and you cannot just walk away for an hour or 2 hours, then definitely go maybe to balanced and keep bash. What you can also do after you've set up these settings, you can actually do /permissions, and then here you see what permissions you've actually allowed. You can also see which ones are denied. Here there are some very important ones that are denied. For example, you do not want Claude to read any .env files because passwords and API keys are there. Last but not least, you can also change the way that Claude works and handles tasks with Shift+Tab. You see here, I've got accept edits on. What you can also do is you can enter plan mode, where you brain dump an idea into the input field and it will basically plan, it will not write any files. What you can also do is go on auto mode on, which is very similar to the permissions that we've had, but it will basically help you also to run agentic workflows, have 5-10 sessions at the same time without you having to babysit these sessions. Next video is going to probably be around automation, orchestration. Bye.